Hi, my name is Bruce Baker, and today we're going to talk about how to get a smooth look with Prismacolor pencils. The materials we're going to be using today are Prismacolor pencils, and we're going to use several different types of paper. First thing you need to understand about using Prismacolor pencils is most people use a regular drawing paper with a slight texture on it. Now, this is the best thing to get a smooth look with the Prismacolor pencil. This right here, this brand is Canson vellum paper. It's got a very smooth, non-absorbent surface. It is translucent, so you can trace over it, but more importantly, it's excellent to work with Prismacolor pencils, and I'll demonstrate right now. Okay, now working on the vellum, I go over, not pushing really hard, just repeating. Just patience is important. Just take your time with it. And already you can see the difference between this and this right here. So just changing your surface to this vellum paper, which is readily available at a lot of different manufacturers. Much smoother look. Now I'm going to get an even smoother look by using a colorless blender. This is a colorless blender. What makes a colorless blender special is it's a marker with no pigment in it, but it'll dissolve the wax that's in a Prismacolor pencil, going over top of the Prismacolor pencil, which is a wax-based pencil, and it's going to dissolve the wax and allow me to push the Prismacolor around and you get a super smooth, solid look with Prismacolor pencils. And those are just a few tips on how to get a much smoother look with your Prismacolor pencils.
Boldly express your brightest ideas in rich, deep, vivid colors. Now introducing the new line of expert artist quality pencils by Arteza. They're housed in a protective metal storage case that keeps your pencils safe and organized. This set uses smooth pigments that allow your colors to layer and blend effortlessly together, bringing depth and life to your work. The pigments can last for at least 100 years, depending on the light fastness rating as indicated by the plus symbol on each pencil. All of the pencils are inscribed with convenient alphanumeric identification, so you'll always know that you're getting the right color. The soft, thick cores are break resistant and allow for maximum color laydown. Introducing the new set of 96 Arteza HB No. 2 pencils. They're pre-sharpened so each pencil is ready to go straight from the box. The six-sided wooden casing blends classic ergonomic design with a natural feel of matted wood. It's a design that has stood the test of time, allowing you to comfortably write, scribble, or sketch for hours on end. These pencils are workhorses in classrooms, workshops, and corporate boardrooms, so they're bound to take a few bumps and knocks. However, the tough, break-resistant graphite cores ensure that they can take a punch while still providing smooth and consistent lines. Everyone makes mistakes. That's why every pencil comes with the latex-free eraser to quickly undo any slip-ups. These Arteza HB pencils are the go-to tools for making notes, marks, or quick sketches.